Can you reverse insulin resistance? The answer may surprise you. Hi, my name is Dr. Anne-Marie Barter. I'm a functional medicine doctor and chiropractor, and I've helped thousands of men and women change their gut health naturally. One question that I get asked a lot, especially when I'm going over labs, is can insulin resistance be reversed? And in many cases with lifestyle interventions, the answer is yes, it can be. I focus on a couple key areas: building meals with protein, fat, and lots of fiber. I use strength training a lot to help people use glucose more effectively. Remember, the insulin receptors are on your muscles. So the more muscle you have, the more effective you are at managing blood sugar. Walking 10 or 15 minutes after meals to help those post glucose rises. Really focusing on sleep and figuring out maybe why the sleep quality isn't there and modifying those factors. I manage chronic stress as well. I like to figure out and drill down what we can do differently in the lifestyle in order to fix the stress. And I also look at nutrient deficiencies that could be a contributing factor. For example, if you're deficient in something like chromium, your blood sugar is going to fluctuate much more. If you're deficient in vitamin A, the pancreas may not work as well. So there's certain nutrient interventions that will help to support blood sugar regulation. For other people, I will also evaluate underlying causes like hormones and gut health, inflammation, and genetics. In a lot of situations early on to regulate the glucose, I will use a supplement called berberine. I really do like to manage the glucose with berberine. I'll put a link below on utilizing that, but especially in the early phases to help to drop that blood sugar level, I do like to focus on utilizing berberine. For the lifestyle changes are incredibly important. This is secondary to those lifestyle changes that you're making. Earlier you can address the insulin resistance, the better off you're going to be and the easier it's going to be versus waiting until later. When you start to get into type 2 diabetes, it becomes much more challenging. Follow me for more functional medicine tips, and if you want to work with me, I'll put a link below.